Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Look at this. The Amtrak train is backing up over the viaduct. And here I am at the Stairway to Nowhere. That was a quick stop. I'm guessing that's going to end up over at the Via Maintenance Center. Oh, is it stopped over there? Yeah, it looks like it's stopped. And while I'm here, have a look at all the new construction. Brand new buildings in and around Griffentown area of Montreal. This area does look nice at dusk, I have to say. Looks like an expo bus there. Brand new building there. This is Robert Bourassa Street. And there's the Place Bonaventure. Ah, it's moving now. Look at that. You see? Here it comes. Moving rather quickly on a Friday evening. About 7:15 p.m. I think. Maybe a little later than that. Actually, it was 8 o'clock, wasn't it? Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. So it's about 8:15. Yeah, so this is part 2 of the Amtrak Adirondack. Restored Adirondack here in Montreal. There's the green. That's going to knock down that green there. And there it goes. It looks like there's another train coming in. Nope, that's the end of that train.